Hey guys, what's going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254.
Hello everyone, this is Rita.
So welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money online with the TechHood affiliate program. And we wanted to make it very clear so that you don't struggle trying to figure things out all on your own. So if you didn't already know, TechHood has an affiliate program that you can use to make money. Now, for those of you who are hearing about affiliate marketing for the first time, essentially this is a revenue sharing model. So we want you to make money and we want you to help us get more people to learn about digital entrepreneurship in Africa. So we've created an online learning platform, and we want you to be able to earn through that platform, not just through the knowledge that you're going to get there, but also as an affiliate, which means that you can start sharing our courses, our memberships, and our ebooks, and you can start making money.
Yeah, and the thing that you will notice when you get to our platform is that we have a different membership, as he has mentioned, and we have a course on online writing. We have ebooks that you might find really interesting. So one thing that you'll notice is that when you get to our platform, it's not that you're going to just register and get a link. We want that the people who are going to promote our courses or promote our training are people that have used our training.
Yeah.
So that's why it's important for us that our learners, the people who have gone through training, either whichever training, whether it's the affiliate marketing training, whether you've gotten a course on online writing and you've experienced how we train our students and the message that we want to pass across, or the kind of skill that we want to pass across. Once you've experienced that, we feel that you'll be in a better position to promote what we have to offer, right?
Exactly. Yeah. So one of the problems that we have, especially in Kenya with affiliate marketing, and not just in Kenya, even the world over, so many people, when it comes to affiliate marketing, they want to make money quickly. And so people end up spamming their family, their friends, and before you know it, people are going to block you. And we don't want that. We don't want you to be that guy who is sharing links all over the internet that you don't understand. Because let me ask you a question. If you're going to buy a product, are you going to trust the person who has never used that product to tell you, hey, go ahead and buy this thing because, you know, it's a good product? You're probably not. If you're going to buy a product, you usually go on Google and you search, you usually go on YouTube and you look up reviews of this product, and you're more likely to trust the person who has used that product. All of our trainings on TechHood come with an affiliate marketing handbook, which means we show you, regardless of whatever course you buy on the platform, they come with an affiliate marketing handbook, which means even if you don't buy the affiliate marketing course, you are going to understand how to promote the products ethically as they should be, because you shouldn't just be trying to promote a product for the sake of money, and you shouldn't also just be trying to get people to join. And if these people don't know what they're joining, there's no point to it. That's not what our brand is about. And our brand is not about just getting people to refer each other for the sake of, you know, money. We want people to actually understand what they are doing, what they are promoting, and exchanging value for value.
Yeah, we really want you to appreciate learning from us and appreciate what we have to offer, because if you appreciate something, then you see its value, and if you see the value of a product, then you can sell it to someone else. At the end of the day, someone does not buy from you just because it's a link, and we need you to understand that someone doesn't buy from you because it's a link. They buy from you because of you as a person, your experiences, because people buy as a result of trust. And that's why it's so important for us, as he has mentioned, that you do not go around spamming people with our link.
Yeah,
it's good to earn money with affiliate marketing, but we want you to earn it the right way.
And this is something we're talking about from experience, because we've actually done affiliate marketing. So this isn't just something that we're pulling out of nowhere. We've done affiliate marketing, and when we were getting started, we used to think that it was just about, you know, having the link. That's not where it ends. You have to actually be able to give value to your audience. People buy when they know you, when they like you, and when they trust you. And when you're able to give information, let's just create a scenario here. Let's say you are somebody who, let's say you have a product at home that you use to cook. This could be, I don't know, some type of cooking oil that you feel is really amazing. And you've shared this cooking oil with your neighbor because you absolutely love how it tastes, you love that it has low cholesterol, you love that it has all these good things about it.
Yeah.
When you share that, your neighbor is likely to go and buy the same product. You know why? Because they trust you, but they don't just trust you for no reason. They trust you because you've actually tried the product and you know details about the product that you can then share with the person that you're trying to recommend. So with affiliate marketing, you're actually being paid to do what you already do in your regular day-to-day life for free, but you're being paid to do this online. So with the Tech Hood affiliate marketing program, everybody is welcome to join as long as you understand affiliate marketing. All of our learners on the platform are going to be having access to their affiliate links. You can promote this platform through the guidance that we give you. We've even gone a step further to create marketing material that can be used by you to promote this on your social media platforms, on Instagram, on Facebook, wherever. We've gone ahead and done that for you, but you can also create your own marketing material as well. So we wanted you guys to have that knowledge so that you understand that we're not just trying to get you to make money. It's good if you make money, but it's good if you understand how it works.
Yeah, and maybe before we finish, we also want you to know that when we were creating this platform, our vision was for as many people as possible to gain these skills. Because at the end of the day, you can earn from TechHood, from our affiliate program, but we also want you to earn in other ways using the skills that you get.
Yes.
You can earn through other affiliate programs. You can create a wonderful online business. You can sell your expertise. This is just the vision that we had.
Yes.
We want you to learn these skills. It's so important for us that as many people as possible are equipped with the skills that we are training you on, because these are things that we have done and it has worked so well for us and it continues to work. And we wanted to share that skill and tell you that from 2016, we've never been employed.
Yeah, we've not been employed in a corporate situation.
Yeah, so this is all we've been doing.
Yeah, so what you've said, I really want to capitalize on that. We want you guys to understand that even outside of our affiliate marketing program, what's inside the training, you're literally getting a blueprint of, we've downloaded our experience, our years of experience and everything that we know into that. And so if you take your time to go through these memberships and through this content, you will definitely make money in two ways: through the skills that you will learn in those courses and in those memberships, but also through the affiliate marketing program that we have to share. So that's all for this video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you ask. We are always ready to answer your questions if you have them. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you for watching.